Hi everybody, welcome to Health Channel. Today we are going to check the properties of corn. Corn or maize, with the scientific name Z maize, is one of the most important grains. Its origin was the American continent, and after wheat, most of the world's agricultural lands are devoted to corn. Corn is rich in nutrients needed by the body and is also considered a good source of fiber and is rich in calories. Corn was not known as a crop until 1492 AD, the year of the discovery of America. In the continent of Asia, Europe, and Africa, but this plant was known centuries ago in Central America and was cultivated by American red-skinned people. Corn stalks are similar to bamboo stalks in appearance. Corn has a limited growth form, and the lower leaves are broad sword. Leaves that are generally 50 to 100 centimeters long and 5 to 10 centimeters wide. The stems are erect and 2 to 3 meters high and have many nodes, which usually have large leaves. Under these leaves and right near the stem, corns appear. They grow 3 millimeters per day. Corns are covered with several layers of strong leaves so that they do not show themselves easily until the appearance of pale yellow strands that protrude from the end of the corn. These filaments are raised stigmas that look like a tuft of hair and are green in color at first, then turn yellow or red. Certain varieties are also obtained from modified corn. These are the source of baby corn, which is used as a vegetable in Asian dishes. Corn pollen is spread by the wind, and due to the high speed of falling due to its weight, it usually does not fall far from the plant. Young corns can be eaten unripe, but when the plants mature, the wood in the middle becomes harder and the strings also dry so that they lose their edible ability. At the end of the growing season, the seeds are dry and it is difficult to chew them without cooking them in boiling water. Corn flour. Corn flour is obtained from yellow or white corn, and if the shell is separated, it should be fortified with nutrients such as iron, calcium, thiamine, and niacin. All corn flour cannot be stored for a long time because the oil in it spoils quickly. Nutrients in whole corn flour are as follows: carbohydrates, protein, calcium, useful fat, phosphorus, iron, sodium, very little thiamine, potassium, little riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin A. Corn is also used as steamed, grilled, and cooked. Also, a substance called corn syrup is prepared from cornstarch and is used as a bulking agent and sweetener in commercial foods and many industries. Among other things, it has many uses in the oil industry, and according to researchers, its consumption in humans may be associated with side effects. Health benefits of corn. Number 1. Prevents constipation and hemorrhoids. The fiber in corn helps increase the health of the body and prevents cancer. It also reduces the risk of constipation and hemorrhoids. In addition, it helps to produce useful bacteria to fight this condition. Number 2. Improves growth. Corn is rich in vitamin B, which is very useful for growth. The thiamine contained in it also helps to improve the nervous and health of the body and improve its performance. It is also very useful for the body because of the folic acid in it. Number 3. Consuming corn helps to gain weight. Corn is an excellent choice for people who are underweight and have difficulty gaining weight. These people must increase their calorie intake to gain weight. Because corn contains high carbohydrates and calories, you can easily and quickly achieve your weight gain goal by consuming this food correctly. Number 4. Corn is a good source of minerals for the body. The use of corn has many benefits because it contains copper, iron, manganese, magnesium, selenium, and phosphorus. It stimulates kidney function and causes bone and body growth, and helps to balance liquids, stomach acids, muscle contraction, regulates blood pressure, and strengthens the immune system. Number 5. Corn consumption prevents cancer. Due to its phenolic compounds and ferulic acid, corn can fight breast and liver tumors. Also, the fiber in corn helps to reduce some digestive problems such as hemorrhoids and constipation and play an important role in the fight against colon cancer. Number 6. Heart protection. Corn oil has an anti-atherosclerotic effect on cholesterol levels. Therefore, it can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Corn oil is one of the best ways to increase heart health because it contains many fatty acids such as omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Number 7. Corn is good for eye health. Zeaxanthin present in corn prevents the oxidation of the eye protein. Oxidation of the eye causes blurred vision and also helps to reduce the yellow spot of the eye. In addition, vitamin A produced from beta-carotene in corn improves vision. Number 8. Diabetes control. Corn can control non-diabetes insulin helps. Eating corn is also useful for dealing with high blood pressure because it has many plant chemicals. That is, when the absorption and release of insulin are coordinated, the possibility of a sharp decrease or increase of insulin in diabetic patients is reduced, and these people can maintain their normal lifestyle. Number 9. Application in cosmetics and beauty products. Apart from medicinal benefits, it is also used in a wide range of cosmetics and can be applied topically to relieve skin irritations, itching, or skin diseases. Is it better to get them normally from the market because it contains Vaseline? Side effects of corn. Number 1. It can be allergenic. Symptoms such as itching on the skin, swelling of the mucous membrane, nausea may occur. Many people suffer from asthma attacks after eating corn, the main reason for which is absorbable protein in corn. Number 2. Not good for diabetes. Corn has high carbohydrates, which leads to an increase in blood sugar levels. Therefore, people with diabetes should not use corn a lot. Number 3. Corn causes flatulence. Corn contains a lot of starch, and when you eat it after digestion, it enters the large intestine and produces a lot of gas. Therefore, if someone consumes a lot of corn, it causes bloating. Number 4. It causes indigestion and stomach upset. Corn is a good source of fiber and other vital nutrients that help improve toxins from the body. But consuming too much corn fiber can cause stomach upset or even cause indigestion. Number 5. Raw corn causes intestinal inflammation and diarrhea. To avoid diarrhea and intestinal problems, you should not eat corn raw. Number 6. Consuming too much corn causes osteoporosis. Corn contains very little calcium. Therefore, people who depend on this diet may suffer from osteoporosis. So be sure to consume corn together with food rich in calcium. And the last, number 7, consuming corn leads to lethargy. Corn contains large amounts of starch, which can lead to drowsiness and lethargy. At the end of this video, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question about corn, ask in comment section. Give us energy with your likes and share it with your friends so that they can also use this information. Our wish is your health. Have a nice day.